Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to set custom notifications for different apps in Samsung Galaxy A16. Go to your phone settings. In settings, tap on notifications. Tap on advanced settings. Here go down and enable this option message notification categories for each app. Now go back. Now, all you have to need to scroll down and tap on notifications once more, tap on app notifications. And here, for example, I want to change or use a custom notification sound for my Google app. So here's some tapping on Google and tapping on notification categories, tapping on current weather conditions, tapping on alert and tapping on sound, and I'm selecting a different sound for this app. Going back, and now let's select a different app. Let's select message app, and here make sure to allow sound and vibration. Tap on notification categories, tapping on incoming messages, tapping on sound, and go ahead and select a different notification sounds. That's how we can actually do it. Thank you.